Hello, it's Monday the 19th of March 2012 and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFX Markets. The US dollar fell against the majors. Federal Reserve policymakers are expected to maintain economic stimulus after core CPI came out 0.10% worse than the expected 0.20%. Stocks finished almost flat, the Dow declining by minus 0.15% and the Nasdaq by minus 0.04%. The S&P 500 rose by 0.11% and remains above the $1,400 mark. Crude oil jumped by 1.86% to close at $107 a barrel after more tension with Iran, and gold fell by 0.22% to close at $1,655 an ounce. No major economic data is expected today. The euro rose against the dollar following the weak US CPI news. The euro's main focus this past week has been the ECB's cautious view on inflation. As stocks remain in their highs and volatility down, the euro could continue strengthening. The euro-dollar mains trend is still considered bearish, but a break above 132 could lead to an uptrend reversal. Current account is expected with 3.3 billion versus 2 billion previously. The British pound gained versus the dollar following the core CPI and speculations regarding QE3. Short-term yields in the UK rose, showing more confidence in the British economy. The FTSE 100 gained by 0.42% at 5,965, and the pound-dollar trades between the channel between 156.50 and 159. A break above 159 could lead to a rally. No major economic data is expected today. The yen remained unchanged versus the dollar and weakened versus the other majors as investors continue to bet against the Japanese currency. The improvement in the US economy has shifted investors away from the safe haven of the yen, but instability in oil prices could lead to complications in global recovery. No major economic data is expected today. The Canadian dollar remained unchanged versus the dollar after weaker than expected CPI in the US, but also weak economic data in Canada. Foreign securities purchases came out with minus 4.19 billion versus the 6.27 billion expected. Manufacturing sales came out worse with minus 0.9% versus 0.4%. And today, wholesale sales are expected with 0.4% versus 0.9% prior. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFX Markets for all your online trading needs.